Greetings, fellow traders. Bowen here. It's time for the lunchtime market update for Tuesday, September the 14th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research. Everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice, so please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's try to see where we're at the market here today. So SPX, guys, red here. Today down 22 points here. Finally a little bit of movement here, right? Monthly chart red, weekly chart red as the evening star reversal on the weekly chart gets a little bit of follow through here to the downside. The daily chart, again, we are now tagging the bottom of the trend box right here with quite an interesting candle right here. Let's see if they hold that or not. Let's take a look at the volume that's coming in on the SPY. Volume's really not there to get us too excited about it, so it's just kind of just a little bit of a drop here so far. So let's see how that goes. Tim Apple is talking, so we got that going on. We'll take a look at Apple here in a little bit, and it really looked like we were starting to impulsive move up here, but we actually crossed over this level here, invalidating this is a wave 2 move, right? This could have been a 1, 2, and then go, but since we took out the wave 1 move, it's a violation, right? So they may actually go and fill this gap right here, and we'll see if this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 actually ends up giving us this 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 to the downside, which could be crazy. Hey, we got another gap down there too, so definitely something to keep an eye on, right? Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, we're having fun here today. It's a Tuesday, but we got a nice drop here again at the open for a really nice move. Of course, we love that. A little bit of a retrace and back down again, which is just beautiful, right? So we've got that going on. Let's take a look at the MES. Again, it's so tight right now at this point here. It's tough to get a geometric line here, but you can kind of get this on there to track that going into tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. Let's take a look at the Qs. Q's doing okay, so we're originally doing okay right here, but we're testing the lows right now. It looks like they're trying to bounce off of it here, off of this last drop. So we'll see how that goes here into the afternoon. The IWM, low of the day. XLF struggled this morning. They were actually really heavy here this morning. They were kind of gapping up and everything else is like a little bit nah, and then they flushed. So that is definitely weighing on the market here too going in today. And one of the big kind of tells that we talked about this morning on the Good Morning Market Prep video, the bubble report, is the VIX, right? We've been kind of hanging on to the zone right here. Normally it goes up and then it gaps down, goes up and then gaps down. But today, even though we were green pre-market, it was still holding on to the zone, right? So that was really, really important stuff there for the VIX today. So pretty cool stuff there. Let's see, Apple not doing so good. Normally they sell the news into the, normally they buy it up and then sell the news when the event started, but he started at negative gamma. Tim Apple started at negative gamma today, and this thing is already just kind of not doing well. He should just walk off stage at this point. Let's take a look at Tesla. I mean, what are we going to do? See a new iPad? I mean, when you start off talking about Apple TV, it's like, has anyone even thought about thinking about watching Apple TV? Just quick. Anyway, Tesla, zone to zone. Nice move here on this one. We got some folks in the group that are short on this one, so pretty cool moves there. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin doing okay, up about 1,700 points here. Again, testing a lot of key levels right here, back to the ADMA. So really important area for it to get and stay above. I still don't like the setup for a long, but we'll see how it goes. Let's take a look at some other names here today. We got Netflix. Netflix getting some nice follow through the downside, so some good stuff there. Amazon. Inside day here so far, but it's gone negative, right? It's gone negative. So let's see if we can break down below yesterday's lows and start to work its way down to here, and then ultimately, ideally, the open gap. Again, this is one that we've liked pretty nicely here recently. And so we traded LVS, where we pointed this out here as an idea on Friday. We talked about it yesterday, and it just kind of pulled back. It's kind of frustrating, right? But when you can buy put spreads, you don't have to worry about as much of the chop. I mean, it's still annoying to be down. We were looking at 22 cents here, 90 cents here today, guys, filling this gap. Incredible move on LVS and a great find on that one that we pointed out in the group the other day. AMC, let's take a look. AMC, again, back down here to the ADMA, so not much going on there. Here's a kind of a meme name that was pretty hot the other day. ATER, let's take a look. Big spike the other day. Very, very nice movement, and then a pullback to the ADMA on this one. And then we've got two more requests right here. It looks like we've got two semiconductors, so let's see how these look. We've got AMD. Hanging out there, still below the 80 MA. Let's see how it goes here today, and the cloud, and NVIDIA with a really tight range inside day. So anyway, guys, good stuff. Really appreciate the request. We'll see you guys at the market wrap. Again, expecting more kind of downish side action here, especially if Apple stays down after this event, and then we'll see where we go from there. But anyway, guys, appreciate everybody tuning in. Stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game.